Hi, I'm Karthik. Welcome back to my Maktak channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a snapshot based on a sub account, and then how to onboard a new client within 30 minutes. That too manually. How easily you can set all those mandatory things, and yeah, immediately the client can start marketing and exploring using the GHL CRM effectively. These are the topics we are going to cover, and this will ensure that you follow all the steps, and you onboard the client effectively, so that the client can start using all the major features of Gohighlevel in the next 30 minutes. And all you have to do is first you have to create a snapshot. Say if at all you have a good account which has for which you have set up all the automations, you have painfully thought through all the process, and you have created all the automations, pipelines, everything. You have it in a sub account. You have funnels, and then you have this pipeline structures, calendars. So all those things you have set up. Ensure that most of the things are using custom values, because otherwise you have to change it in every sub account you create. Let's for creating that. This is a $297 plan, Gohighlevel subscription agency. So this the account creation can't be automated. It's available only in the $497 plan. So I'm going to create it manually. First, the process of creating the snapshot is same in every plan. Just go to settings. Under that, click to agency, and go to settings, click snapshot, and then you can click create snapshot name for new client and the sub account, and choose the specific sub account where you created all the automations, custom values, custom fields, everything in place. Click save. It will take its own time, and you have to wait until the process gets over. Now you can see for new client, for the account name is testing, and it's been created. The snapshot is created. But what if like you have created the snapshot and then you found like you have missed the important thing? You have to add another custom value. Say custom value create an update snapshot, right? Okay, now what we can do, we are going to create a new sub account. Just go to sub accounts, add sub account, and these are like vertical snapshots, which are like a default snapshots, and these are like imported snapshots, which means like you can buy any snapshots from an agency or a seller, and you can import the snapshot into the Gohighlevel. But the key thing here is, if at all you have imported the snapshot, you won't be able to share it with you won't be able to like update it. You have to just import it and create a sub account based out of it, and then create a new snapshot based out of the sub account, and then it would become yours. But for the simple purpose, let's go to phone snapshots, and you can see for new client, this is the snapshot we have just created. And I just ignore this one, Arizona, USA, or like just give the city Phoenix. Arizona, USA, right? And just click on the map. It will ask for the test thing. You have to feed name, email, for customer name, test company, address, time zone, 715718210. Just I'm giving for the demo thing, 50599055, and time zone is MDT, right? Mountain time zone, yeah, right. Now you click save. Now the sub account is created. You can now add users. Now you can do all those things. Everything you can just reselling is, we don't want the extra, excess like a SEO package, and WordPress is like the CMS thing, which we don't want to offer for this client. This comes at extra cost, so let's leave it for now. Now you can go to the share. You can see like the test sub account has all the funnels and all the automations. Let's duplicate it so that I can see, and all the funnels and even and the opportunities also, all those things are available here. You can see the same set of funnels, same set of things are available where on the sub account from which we created the snapshot, and this and the sub account which we created based out of the snapshot. This is a test company, and this is what just wait this. And you can just go to custom values to check like whether we have refreshed the snapshot correctly, and that new thing we created, Facebook page, is available in the FAR testing account, the original account. And let's go to the derived account, like the child account, Facebook page, because we refreshed that snapshot and it's now available. Now available with the latest fields of that original account. Now I'm creating another custom value, Instagram value. Now that been created, Instagram page, https instagram.com. Now you can see like that this testing account has Instagram page, and this one doesn't have that. You can just refresh. I imagine that the account we created, the snapshot, is like the mother account, and all the accounts we created based on that snapshot are like child accounts. You have to you can make any changes, like you can change not necessarily in custom values, but you can change it in funnels or anything, anywhere you like. Then you go to snapshot, and for new client, first you refresh the snapshot. And then you click push update to the linked accounts. Select all, proceed. Don't always select all the things, because you might push the unwanted updates. Just go select the desired, only the changes you like to push. One is like what we have changed, custom values, right? Okay, custom values, Instagram page. Now you click proceed. It will check for conflict, but ignore, proceed, confirm, overwrite. This can be done for any number of accounts based on which this snapshot is created. The for new client is like the mother, and you can create to almost hundreds of sub accounts, and you can push updates to all the child accounts created based on this account. Now you can see only the I have not refreshed it, but you can refresh it. See, the Instagram page customer list now available in the child accounts also. This is how you create snapshots and push updates, refresh snapshot and then push updates to the child accounts. Channels, forms, surveys, websites, calendar, all those mandatory, all those crucial features are like you can import it from snapshot, and it saves tons of hours. You don't have to create each and everything. Imagine if at all you have to create workflow for each and every account separately, that would consume loads of time and resource. But this will ensure that you have a common thing in place and you push updates to all the accounts, and whenever you make version 1 or version 2, you can push those updates as well. That it's like a central repository management thing. It's very easy to manage. But these are all the things which won't come with the snapshot. You have to do manually, like you have to set up mailgun for emailing things, or like LC mail. Let's go and set up Twilio and the phone thing. If the agency is set up with Twilio or like LC phone, then you can go with any of either of those services itself. But both are same only. LC phone is like a wrapper for the Twilio, and LC email is the wrapper for the mailgun. Verification and configuration and integration with Twilio and Gohighlevel is very much the same. I have clearly shared 2 videos before specifically for mailgun and Twilio. I will link those videos in this video. You can just go and watch for the detailed things. All you have to do is you have to just like check these boxes and to ensure that the default provider is done. That's it. This is the setting you have to enable for mailgun, and the same goes for the mobile number. If the Twilio is available, you can just go to Twilio. Although, and another thing you need to have is you have to buy a number. Each numbers will cost less than $1 or so. You can just go search and buy those numbers, and once you buy these numbers, then you can just click save, and now you are ready to, your account is now ready for texting and emailing thing. These things are over, right? And other thing is like you have to, you might want to white label the things, because otherwise the final URLs, calendar, websites would look ugly, like app widgets, everything would look ugly. Let's go and I will show. Review copy. app.gohighlevel v2 preview, this kind of things would appear. So instead of this, you can what you have to do, you have to get a domain can be verified with a A record or like a C name. You have to just add name www.google1.com or like any domain you like to configure, but you need to have access to the domain registrar like GoDaddy or like Google Domains or like Bluehost, any domain, Namecheap, any domain register because you need to change the DNS settings like a record and the or like the CNAME record, and ensure that you add this to the specific subdomain and not the root domain. Once you configure, I have a clear specifically a detailed video specifically for this, and I will link at the end of this video. You can go and watch that, how to verify the domain with Gohighlevel and Facebook also. And once you click add, then then that's it. It will ask like it could not find a name because I have not configured in the domain register. It's not showing, but if you have configured correctly this records, then it would show the domain is found, and you can just go back here and in the sites, in the settings, you can select the domain, like you can choose the domain. See if the domain is available, it will show, it will load here. You can just load the domain and then you can just click save. That's it. Once that is done, if at all you go and click the funnels here, it will show with the domain name itself. And we have set up the email, domain, and texting. So most of the communication parts are done. Now what you can have to do, you have to go to payments, integrations, and Stripe. Connect to your Stripe account so that it will you can collect payments for membership or like funnels. Connection is very simple, so all you have to click the connect button and that's it. And then it will ask for the credentials. You just sign up and it will connect through auth. And you have for Google Think, Google Think has mainly three purposes. One is like you can track the Google Ads performance if at all you do Google Ads as well, and then you can do Google My Business reputation management, and then you can have calendar sync available. Calendar sync is like you can have a Gohighlevel calendar and you can sync with your Google Calendar. Gohighlevel default offers syncing with Google and the Outlook calendar, but there are like multiple other platforms local business use like Acuity or Square or like Calendly. So it would be very tough to manage all these calendars, and if at all you ask client to completely ditch any of those scheduling platforms and move to Gohighlevel, they would be very apprehensive. All you can do is like you can just set the calendars and sync your calendar with the Google Calendar, and then in turn they can sync that Google Calendar with the Acuity or the Square or like the Calendly thing. For the Google integration, all you have to do is you have to go to integrations and click connect, and it will ask for you to log in. Once you are logged in, you can see all those things here set it here. If at all you have multiple ad accounts, you can just select that ad accounts also for the Google and once you are done, you can just go to reporting and click Google Ads. You can see all the CPC, what's the leads, how much is the CPL, all those things, and you can track the same for the Facebook ads also under the reporting tab. And once you connect that Google thing, it would be now available for reputation management also. So you can see all those reputation reviews which are posted in your Google My Business listing. So these are all the things which are helpful. You can track everything. GMB and calendar sync when you connect the Google and next thing is like the team members. You can You can have multiple team members, each might have different role. One can be a finance, one can be media buying, one can be like sales, one can be a VA or like appointment scheduler. All those things can be all those users can be added here. Say if at all you are adding a user for the appointment scheduling thing, you can just enable, and you can for the team calendars you can default, you can select those users on that as users for as in the calendar section itself. I have a detailed video on the calendars, you go please check that video. And user permissions, like for the appointment setters, they don't have to look at Facebook reporting, websites, or like websites they may need, membership, and AdWords reporting, workflows, all those things, payments, they won't need, right? So you can set it that way. And user role can be user on default, admin if at all you want to specifically upgrade them to access, to give them access to the all the features like the settings, connections, all those things. And user availability you can set as per their availability timing. And user calendar configuration is where if at all you have connected Google and Outlook, that would be available here. You can set connect those as well. And now we have the users also ready with us, and team members also added. Almost we have completed 95% of the account setup. And if at all the client has a huge database of past customers, and they want to like reactivate those customers, you can import the contacts. The leads can come from a manual addition of the contacts, or like bulk import, or like Facebook lead forms, or like through Google ads directly through funnels, form submissions, everything. But if at all you have to import the bulk contacts, just like import contacts and click upload file, and ensure that you have it in a CSV file format with the name, email or phone number. Any unique identifier is mandatory for a contact to be imported. Just the name alone won't be enough. And you can import with custom fields also, but all you have to do is you have to map, just import. And I have a clear video for database reactivation, you can just refer that one. You have to just map it like the same fields, whether the first name is same as in these are all the CSV, and these are the column headers from the file, and these are the contact fields available in the Highlevel. Click next. Don't import unmatched columns, click next. And always add tag like date 26 May 2023. Say if at all it goes wrong, you can identify, filter the tags and delete those contacts. If you run into any problems, this is the best way normally I used to do. And then click submit. That's it. Now the contacts are imported. Now you have the SMS and email configuration ready. You can if at all you have the database reactivation workflow, you are good to go. So this is how we can onboard a client within 30 minutes, and with everything loaded to the perfect level, and they can start using the features of all the major features of Gohighlevel in the 30 minutes of their onboarding time. And the key thing is, like, we have done all it through manually. For SaaS customers, these are like automated options are available. I will post a detailed video how the automatic account creation works for the SaaS $497 plan. I hope this video is clear. Let me know in case if you have any queries in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.